Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where we're here on Speed No Limits, located at Oakwood Theme Park here in Wales. You looking forward to your ride, Charlotte? It's an intense ride, this one. Yeah, it's a Gerstlauer Euro-Fighter that features 2 inversions and a massive airtime hill. It opened here in 2006. I'm going to be starting off with a ride by going up the vertical lift hill just here.
I have to close my eyes because it takes so long to get to the top.
And here we go, climbing up on speed. So yeah, it's much slower, this one, than some of the newer Gerstlauer models, but in a way that adds to the anticipation of the ride.
It takes so long.
As we're climbing up just here. And of course, when you get to the top, you get a great view looking over the Welsh countryside. There we are, coming up the vertical lift hill. And not the easiest one to film on a wrist strap, this.
I can imagine.
Charlotte's got her eyes closed.
It's because it's so bright.
It is quite bright, you know. It does.
A little snooze.
Yeah, just relaxing here on the vertical lift. If you turn your head to the right, you get a nice view of Megaphobia just over there, actually. Here we go, let's see how this turns out. It's quite a vicious ride. It's not really rough, but it's quite vicious. It's intense, it's speed. Here we go. Woo! Oh! Air time. Woo! Oh, blimey. Doesn't really slow it too much, and we're straight down. You ready? Woo! Bit of hang time there on the inversion. Hey! I'm making our way down into a nice downward helix, 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 helix. Woo! Oh! There we go. How was that for you?
Oh, it's intense.
It is really intense, very forceful. The airtime on that huge hill is brilliant after the first drop. It's a very aggressive ride, but you know what? It's great fun. We do really enjoy it. But thanks for watching Theme Park Worldwide. And that leaves me one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.